Hey everybody, Scott Pierce here at Listings to Leads. I'm going to talk to you about the 5 Forever plan to get listings using the Listings to Leads platform. Now, real quickly, this plan, the 5 Forever plan for listings, is a subset of our overall how to make $250,000 a year in real estate masterclass that you can find out more about at listingstoleads.com/250. So again, listingstoleads.com/250. You can get all the information on how to make $250,000 a year in real estate. But these are the things that actually kind of focus on sellers or lay the groundwork strongly for generating seller leads. So with that said, we've got coming soon, just listed, active, or open house marketing that you need to be doing every single week with a listing that is yours or borrowed. This is laying the groundwork for people and homeowners. They need to see you marketing listings in addition to the other things, because you need to show a homeowner that you can actually market listings. That's what they hire you for. Well, they hire you to get the home sold, but you got to be able to market that listing. And so when homeowners, they're on Facebook, they're on other websites, they maybe get an e-flyer about a listing for sale, that oftentimes is one of the top of funnel ways for a seller to get into your audience. So do not discount, do not forget about marketing with the Listings to Leads marketing plan, the entire plan, a coming soon, just listed, active or open house listing, yours or borrowed, every single week. That is like the foundation for your online marketing in real estate. Next up, we're going to do a seller PDF guide. So every other week, we will do a guide and all the marketing around it for a seller guide directed to homeowners in your area to, again, generate more seller leads. Now, on the other week, so in February, for example, we did the 2nd and 4th Tuesday to go out and do our marketing for the homeowner PDF guides. And then on the 1st and 3rd Tuesday, we did the buyer guides. And again, you can generate a lead from a buyer PDF guide, like, for example, maybe a secret to buying a home in any season or something, new construction. A lot of times those can be seller leads as well. So again, it's about laying the entire groundwork. It's not about trying to do a bicep curl, right? And trying to get big arms that way, right? You don't get big arms by doing a bicep curl. You got to do squats, you got to do deadlifts, and you got to do a lot of other exercises. You can't just eat yogurt and have a healthy diet. You got to do a balanced diet, like you want to do balanced marketing and balanced lead generation. With that, the third thing that we're going to do every single week is pending and just sold. And this is one of the best ways to start really going after direct seller leads. We're building up our audience, we're building up the engagement, and now we're going to layer on the pending and just sold. Again, yours or borrowed. Our training, I'll show you where that is exactly, it walks you through how to borrow a pending or a sold listing to market it if you don't have your own. But every single week, homeowners in your area need to see that you've got a message around properties going into contract, properties getting sold, and the Listings to Leads market listing checklist for any pending or sold listing, yours or borrowed. And again, keep in mind, you could be the selling agent. Your buyer bought that listing as well. That would count here also. Now, in addition to that, we got 4 different overlays that we're going to do this month as well. The first one we did February 8th is FSBOs, how to engage and list. So again, if you're serious about getting listings, you want listings fast, I would go after the FSBOs. The training we've got on that, and I'll show you exactly where that is absolutely phenomenal. And we got clients listing 1, 2, 3, 4 FSBOs a month with Listings to Leads. They've been doing it for years, right? People, years and years, people have been going after FSBOs and getting more listings that way. Number 2 there, the 100-point home marketing plan. Again, that's something you want to do every single month because it's going to help. Not the first time you do it, you're going to get some benefit from it. The second time, you get more benefit. And so as you do these activities, it's not like they're a one-off, a shotgun shot into the forest. These are all building on each other like building a house. Number 3 there is expired. So again, Listings to Leads, we've got an amazing expired module that you can identify, and you can do the expires and FSBOs for free. I can look into your MLS, I can drive around. There are free ways to go after FSBOs and expireds. And then we've got print materials, emails, social media posts, PDF guides that address those 2 markets as well. So again, there's absolutely no excuse for you not getting listings every single month from expireds and FSBOs in your area. And then number 4, and you notice it's way at the bottom of this whole list that we've done so far, home value is at the very end of this. It's not that it's not important, but those other ways are actually better and stronger ways of getting listings. So again, with home value, it's not about just doing a Facebook ad. We've got a lot of different tools around that, and we're going to alternate with the cash offer as well. So with that said, go to youtube.com/listings to leads, click on playlist, and pause this video as needed. And you can go there, get this YouTube channel, get the playlist here. So youtube.com/listings to leads, click playlist, then click daily checklist. You'll see it there on my screen on my left-hand side. And then under the daily checklist there, number 3, click view full checklist. That will give you the screen that you see on the right with all those beautiful videos there cascading down the right-hand side. And you'll just find the video that's appropriate for what you're trying to do. And they're all about 20 to 25 minutes long, and they're meant to do together. So I want you to be able to watch the video on one screen, follow through in the account on another, and get this stuff done while you're watching that video. Real quickly here, you can see for the coming soon, just listed active and open house, there are very specific ways to generate seller leads from these statuses in general to the actual, the standard a lead comes in for a coming soon listing, and then you find they got a property to sell. That happens as well. But we literally have specific tools in here that are going to generate seller leads. So take a look at the checklist for that coming soon, just as it's active or open house. And again, yours or borrowed, you need to be doing this every single week. Next up here is the PDF guide. Again, we got the checklist. Go to the video on our YouTube channel, download the checklist, get these tools out there because they're going to help you generate more seller leads from your database, from social media, from Facebook, from your farm. We got call scripts for that. You should be calling your database for every one of these modules. Every one of these modules has a database call script to call seller leads and get more conversations going and get more listings going. Number 3, the pending and just sold that we talked about earlier. Again, we got an amazing checklist right here, amazing tools that really go after getting great listing leads for you in your area, and including a database call script. So even if it's not your listing, even if it's not your pending listing or your just sold listing that you want to highlight this week, we've got a script for you to use for your database. We got an ad that you can use. We got social media postings that you can use. So we've got a lot of great tools in here, even if it's not your listing. Next up here, we're talking about FSBOs. So we got the training at the YouTube channel there that I referenced a little bit earlier. We got the landing pages, the marketing materials, the PDF guides, the social media ads, all the great tools for you to be able to really engage and list FSBOs. We've got the 100-point home marketing plan again. We got an awesome video on this that walks through from the ads, using video view ads to a custom audience at $1 a day, plus the database scripts, plus the e-flyers to your database. And we even got Google ads for that, in addition to all the other things there as well. A little peek into the expireds here. So again, amazing landing pages, amazing tools to engage expired homeowners in your area and how you are going to help them get their home listed. Now, keep in mind, nobody should be seeing one item of your marketing. They should be seeing all of this stuff, right? All of this stuff works together. If you are just running a single ad solo and you don't have all of the stuff working together, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. Again, with the home value update cash offers, again, we got Google ads, direct mail, e-flyers, letters, so many ways to generate seller leads. So again, it's not about just doing a Facebook ad. The last thing I'm going to mention here is the short form videos. And again, if you're not doing this, you are literally leaving money on the table. Anyways, best ROI in real estate, free branding, free audience growth, free local leverage. With the way we train, you can grow your audience probably faster than ever. Free massive engagement from doing this, right? You got to be doing this daily so that you get better. You're only going to get better if you do it daily. It's one of the best ways for people to get to know, like, and trust you for sure. And it's also one of the free and best ways to become a local trusted expert. With listings to leads, you get 8 to 10 video scripts written for you a week, sometimes 12 to 14. We've got step-by-step guides on how to record them, how to get them published and all that. So great stuff there. We got scripts for listings, PDF guides, social, local reviews. So phenomenal ways to increase your audience engagement on social media. And again, you can use them on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and more. So with that said, get to our YouTube channel, start doing the marketing, and keep in mind, it's not about just doing one thing. It's about trying to layer on all of this stuff so that you become ubiquitous in the minds of homeowners in your area, not some random ad out there that people see from you, but they don't know who you are. So we want to make sure that all of this stuff works together so that you are the person that people think of when they start thinking of listings going into contract, listings selling, listings being marketed, real estate information related to the home buying or home selling process, and then just being a fun person that's showing off the local area as a local area expert, making people fall in love with the area, attracting even more people. So if you have any questions on any of this, let us know, and we'll talk to you soon.